NASA recorded something in deep space, and they can't fully explain what it is. Before I tell you what they found, I need you to stop for a second. Close your eyes. Imagine complete silence. The deepest silence you've ever felt. No wind, no people, no sound at all. Now multiply that by infinity. That's what we thought space was. We were wrong. For over a century, science told us the same thing. Space is a vacuum. Sound needs air to travel. Therefore, space is silent. Forever. End of story. It made sense. It was logical. Every textbook said the same thing. But then NASA's deep space probe started picking up something strange. Electromagnetic waves, plasma vibrations, pressure pulses moving through gas clouds millions of miles wide. And when scientists ran those signals through audio converters, when they slowed them down, shifted the frequency into the range human ears can detect, they heard something that made the room go quiet. Not because it was beautiful, because it was haunting. Let's start with Saturn. Saturn has a sound, a deep, rhythmic hum that pulses like a machine that's been running for 4 billion years. Some scientists describe it as mechanical. Others say it sounds biological, like a heartbeat. When you hear it for the first time, your brain doesn't know what to do with it. It's too structured to be random noise, too alien to feel natural. Then there's Jupiter. Jupiter's sound is violent. It roars. It crackles. It sounds like a living storm, like something enormous is angry inside it. The electromagnetic interference from its magnetic field creates a wall of noise that NASA describes as one of the most intense natural radio environments in our solar system. But nothing compares to what they found 250 million light years away. A black hole, a supermassive black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster. Scientists detected pressure waves rippling outward through the surrounding gas. They took those waves, scaled the frequency upward by 57 and 58 octaves, quadrillions of times higher than the original, and played it back. What came out was a low, slow, continuous moan. The same frequency range as a human voice in pain. The room went silent. Nobody spoke, because nobody knew what to say. Now here's where it gets even stranger. The Voyager 1 probe has been traveling through space since 1977. It is currently over 23 billion kilometers from Earth, the farthest any human-made object has ever traveled. As it crossed from our solar system into interstellar space, it detected something unexpected. Plasma wave oscillations at the edge of the heliosphere, the boundary where the sun's influence ends and the true void begins. When converted to audio, it doesn't sound like static. It doesn't sound like interference. It sounds like a door slowly opening into a dark room. Scientists call this region the heliopause, the edge of everything we know. And right at that edge, our little probe heard something singing back. So what is actually making these sounds? The honest answer is we know the mechanics, but not the full story. Plasma waves are created by charged particles moving through magnetic fields. Pressure waves travel through dense clouds of gas the way sound travels through water. Electromagnetic signals pulse outward from spinning planets and dying stars. NASA's instruments capture all of this, and audio engineers convert it into something our ears can process. But here's the thing that no textbook prepares you for. When you actually listen to these recordings, when you sit in the dark and press play, it doesn't sound like data. It doesn't sound like science. It sounds intentional. And that feeling, that irrational, spine-tingling feeling that something out there is communicating, is something even the scientists admit they can't fully shake. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. It has been making these sounds since before our sun existed, before Earth formed, before the first living cell divided in a warm prehistoric ocean. All of that time, it was broadcasting. And for almost all of human history, we didn't have ears to hear it. We just got them. So here's the question I want to leave you with tonight. We've only mapped a fraction of the universe. We've only converted a handful of signals into sound. There are billions of galaxies, billions of black holes, billions of gas clouds and plasma fields, and magnetic storms we haven't touched yet. If what we've already heard sound is alive, what are we going to hear next? And more importantly, are we ready for it?